welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing. First, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you do love things like this, and turn on that notification bell because trust me, we got some good stuff in store. But to touch on the fashion and style thing, I love high-end stuff. I love budget-friendly stuff. I love just mixing everything because that's fashion and style. Style is what you like. You may watch me and see, oh, I love that sweater that she has on. And you may go on someone else's channel and see these jeans that they have on, and just mixing everything together. That's style. Style is what you love. So just pick and choose things that you like. I'm not on here to say, hey, this is what I have. I think this looks good. You should put this on. No, that's not what this is about. This is just giving you ideas on things. But hey, I'll stop rambling and let's get to this unboxing. So I got this from Louis Vuitton, and we'll be taking this blue string off. This. It came with this little thing. It just has like my receipt and stuff in here. And here it goes. And it is a Pochette Metis. I've been on the waiting list for over a year now. I went into the store and I just happened to check. I asked the lady working there because my essay was not there, and I asked, were there any available? She said no. Check with ERSA. I just happened to text her, and about 2 weeks later, she texted me back, and actually she called me and said, I have one available. Do you still want it? And I was like, yes, ma'am. Please, I've been waiting. Send it to me. And she did. And here is this beauty. Oh my gosh. There's the top. I don't know. Is that me? Or what in the... Anyways, it comes with the strap, which you do just buckle just to make it long. I'm sure you've seen these. And this is the inside. It's kind of like an accordion. Is that what you would say? Just like QR code and just my little receipt things. Now I feel like I need to look at the whole bag. What is this? What is that? Like, and it doesn't. Not even work. What is this? I'm not sure if you see that. Let me... I'm not sure if you can... Do you see? There's like, I don't know, there's like glue or something on this. And there, no. Let's discuss what is going on with this bag. I've been waiting for this bag for so long, and to say I'm disappointed is an understatement. I'm not sure what is going on. I don't know, but it's still so beautiful. I don't know, but I'm going to have to contact them and see what is going on with this bag. I'm not going to keep it like this because I don't think that for the amount that I paid for this, I paid, let's see, I want to say $18.30 plus tax. Yep, $18.30 plus the tax for where I live for this bag, and I don't think that I should have to clean it off or whatever is going on with this bag. So I will be contacting them just to see what this is. Can they replace it? What's going on? The sad part about this whole thing is that I have been waiting for over a year, so do they even have any available? Like, what do I do? Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video. I will update you on what happens with this bag, what they tell me, what they decide they're going to do about this. But see you later.